Let's put your skills to the test. Can you name this lung sound? That was a Rhonchi lung sound. Rhonchi lung sounds are low-pitched, rattling noises heard during breathing, often resembling snoring. They are caused by the obstruction or secretion in the larger airways, typically due to conditions like chronic bronchitis or COPD. These sounds can often be cleared with coughing. Comment lungs to get my free respiratory Aussie guide, and don't forget to watch the pinned video on my profile to practice your lung sounds.